Can you accidentally delete System32? Okay, let's try it out. No? Can you rename something in System32? Oops. That means there is no chance that you accidentally delete your System32. Whatever changes you want to do here, it will say you require permission from trusted installer. But if you want to do it intentionally, then how about if you take the permission from trusted installer and then perform any action? So let's try it out. Wait a minute, if you are still wondering what is System32, then the System32 folder is a core folder in Windows OS. It contains important file and folder that are necessary for properly function of your system. Okay, now let's take the permission from trusted installer. Guys, I am doing that on my VMware, not on my main PC. And never ever change your System32 or Windows owner from trusted installer to something else because it reduces the security of your computer. Oops, still we can't delete it because as you know, it contains system file and folder and it already running on the background. But how about if you use CMD to delete it? Let's try that. Now, we finally managed to delete it. And as you can see, nothing is working properly. And when I reboot it, it just stuck on automatic repair. If you want to try that out by yourself, then do it on your VMware. Don't try it on your main computer because it will destroy everything and you have to reinstall your OS again. And remember, before you type delete command on your CMD, make sure you run it on admin access and of course you have to change the owner.